In this video, we will learn K-map, which is used for the simplifying the Boolean expression. So K-map is used for the simplifying the Boolean expression. Okay. So it is type of tabular form. You can say that it is advanced version or modified of truth table. So in the K map, it is having of n variable. So the number of cell will be equal to 2 to the power the n. So suppose let's see how it is used for the simplifying the Boolean expression and how it is going to work. So suppose we have variable n is equal to 2. Okay, so its total number of cell will be 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4. So we can draw 4 cells. Okay, so let's suppose variable is x and y. Okay, that variable is x and y. So it have been x variable and y variable. So x can be 0, x can be 1, y can be 0 or y can be 1. So here it will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so we will see again, this is x, this is y. So it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, this is 3. Okay, and again we can see in the advanced form by writing that x and y. So in the K map, the numbering is written in the gray code. So basically, suppose you have binary number 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So in decimal you can write 0 1 2 and 3. In the gray code, how you will write 0 0 corresponding to this and corresponding to this 0 1 and corresponding to this 1 1 and corresponding to this 1 0. Okay, so this is gray code. We will see when we will go for the 3 variable K map, 4 variable K map. Okay, so here it will be x complement y complement x complement y x y complement then x y. So basically in the max term, 0 is represented as a complement, x complement, 1 is written as a cell. So let's see one example. So suppose y is given, which is a function of x and y, that is of 2 variables, and which is you can write as a sum of, that is 1 and 2 and 3. So simplify this expression using K map. So it is having 2 variables. So it will be of 4 cell. Okay, so it will be of 4 cell. So take x as a MSB, y as a LSB. So x and y, and take 0 1 0 1. So where it is coming max term at 1 position, so 1 is here, so take it as a 1 and at 2 position this, and then 3 position. Now what you have to do for minimizing the expression, you have to combine that number of combine the ones in the square form, like I will show you. So this one and this one can be combined as a one part, and this one and this one also can be combined as a two part. So this can be written like this can be written as a by, because this is x complement and this is x. So like this, this is, suppose this is x complement plus x, and that is by, so it will be simply by, so it is by. And for this it will be like x, or then by complement and then by, so it will be x. Okay, so we will not write this form directly, but we have to see if there is a complement x and x complement, then it will be 1 automatically. So only what we will take, we take this value and we will take this value. So final by will be f of x comma by, that will be 1 2 and 3, it will be equal to x plus by. So this form is minimized to this form. So if you will write this as a canonical form, it will be like x complement by plus by complement x, and then it will be xy. Okay, so in the detailed form it will be like this. So minimized, we have minimized using the Boolean expression this. Okay, so in this way kmap is used to minimize the Boolean expression. So in the next video I will explain the kmap of a variable of n is equal to 3. So thanks for watching this video. We will see in the next video. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe.